What's going on, guys? Matt here with T&M Product Reviews, coming back at you with another review. We're going to be taking a look at another Olight here. So here just a short time ago, Olight released a new light in their Baton series, and that light is going to be the Baton 3. And I actually have my old S1R2 Baton, and you can see there's not much difference. This is the 3, this is the 2. Obviously they got some different cutouts here, but let me tell you about the cool feature they released along with the Baton 3, and that is this little thing. And this is the Baton 3 wireless charger. So this is a wireless charging pack, just like you'd have for your AirPods or your Galaxy Buds or other wireless devices that you can find out there, other wireless earbuds. You now have a wireless charger for your flashlight. So this combo right here makes it so you don't have to charge this light at home. You can keep this thing going for a very long time. So let's go over the specs here. So the light itself, obviously it's an IPX8. The case is not waterproof, however. So keep that in mind. There is no waterproofing on the case. It does shut, might be a little resistance, but there is no kind of sealer here to keep any water out. And it is a USB-C charge that doesn't have any seal on it either. There's no rubber cap or anything for it. But the light itself, IPX8, weighs in at 1.87 ounces and is 2.48 inches long. For your charging case, so the case charges the Baton 3.7 times. So yeah, 3.7 times. It's actually listed right here in the top of the case. Fully charged, Baton 3, 3.7 times. Camera's not going to focus on it enough, I don't think. Oh, there it is. So charge that Baton 3 3.7 times. So if your Baton 3 is charged and your case is fully charged, you get almost 5 full charges, or 5 full charges out of this setup right here. The case has a built-in 3,500 milliamp hour battery. Like I stated, it does charge with USB-C, and all you do is you just slide the flashlight down in. There's a magnet, and you can feel it kind of pull the light down in, and that's how it charges. It charges wirelessly through the magnetic charger. There's an indicator light right here to tell you if it's charged or not, and there's also an indicator right above the USB-C port to tell you if the case is charged when you're charging it. Now the cool part is, so this is the Baton 3. You can see the little side groove cuts. Here's your S1R2. It will charge it as well. So you also have a charging option for the S1R2. Bad part is you can't buy the cases separately, at least not as of yet. So for the light itself, back to Olight's magnetic charger with an MCC 1 amp charger, running the customized 550 milliamp hour 3.7 volt IMR 16340 battery. So just that little guy, just like the S2 or S1R2. Your beam distance is going to be 544 feet or 166 meters. Candela output is 6,889. It has a high performance CW LED with tear optic lens, and just like the S1 series, it is side switch activated. The side switch also has your power level indicator. You can see the little green light there. Come on, camera. Little green light there showing this one's fully charged. And slight changes to the outputs. I don't have the S1Rs on hand, but they have changed slightly. So your moonlight mode is 0.5 lumens. It's going to run for 20 days. So you're getting 20 days on that half a lumen setting, and even with just a little bit of light in the house here, you can still see the light output from it. So in a very low light situation, that's going to run for a very long time for you. And then obviously you get 3.5 more charges with that case. So you think about it, 8, close to 100 days worth of charge with this setup, as long as they're both fully charged. Press and hold that switch and you're going to jump up to 12 lumens. It's going to run for 33 hours. Next step is 60 lumens, going to run for 7.5 hours. Next one's going to 300 for 95 minutes. I'm just going to start shining this behind me. And with a double tap, you're going to jump up to 1200 lumens. It's going to run for 1.5 minutes, and then step down to 300 lumens for 75 minutes. Now it does also come with the strobe mode, and there's a couple options for colors. So whatever color the case is the color of the light you get. We have 2 of them here. So this is the Olight Blue, which is an awesome color they make. There you go. That blue is an awesome shade, and then obviously the case to match it. They have black on black. They also have a red on red, and then they just released the Baton 3 in their purple to blue gradient with a black speckle case. So black case with white speckles on it. With the, let me get the Piran 2 here. It's kind of got that same purple to blue gradient as this Piran 2 has. So you got 4 options for colors. Obviously they're brand new, so there's probably plenty more to come. We have 2 of the main ones that we like here. And price wise, you're looking at $99.95. So with tax, probably right around $100, or a little over $100 for an awesome little compact setup that you can run for literally days on end without needing to charge it. There's a little clip on that indicator. Since I used the light for a second, it's now red, showing that it's charging the light. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for the Olight Baton 3 with the wireless charging case. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's all I got for you here today. Later.